I know you must be wondering,
why not the black box?
Hey guys, and welcome to our channel, Hacks by Ebanks. I'm Sasha.
And I'm Rory.
Today we're going to talk about water conservation in your home. And this black box is going to help us kind of talk about some of the things that you can do to conserve water.
Well, you mean what's inside the black box is going to help us?
So currently during construction,
water bill it turned way up.
I didn't even want to see the water bill at the end of the month because the water bill I did sound bad in the teens, almost 20. I think we did get a 30 grand bill one time too.
Higher than GPS bill.
So water conservation should be high on your list if you're doing renovations or if you're doing a new build or if you just want to conserve. I mean, everybody I look for if you save money, and this is one of them. Currently our bill averages out at how much, Rory?
About $4,000.
What? So cheap?
Yeah.
What? On average? Guys, and we still want to get it lower. We believe that it can be lower, and we're willing to try a few things to see if we can make that happen.
Yeah, normally the things that doesn't conserve water.
Like what we do?
Leave the shower on for make the hot water come on, even though we have an instant water heater.
Water heater that downstairs, it take a while for the water to reach upstairs. Come on.
5 seconds. I leave it on for minutes. Even when you're brushing your teeth, the water still run. Simple little tips.
I guess me the problem, guys. I have to change some of my ways too. But right?
Black box.
Black box.
Yes.
Alright, so let's just open the black box, see what's inside, and we'll talk about some of the things that are in the box. And as DIYers, you don't know, we're going to show you how to use them. Welcome to the JN Foundation Water Project, where the focus is to conserve water in the housing sector. We're not only here to talk about what's in this little black box, we're also here to give you easy to implement and cost-effective tips to help you save water in your own home. You know how it goes, guys. When we have the good up information, we just have to share it with you. We'll leave the link below to where you can go and get more information on water conservation in your home, and also get a copy of this awesome booklet which details everything you need to know about conserving water, both inside and also outside in your garden. Another one, this is mine. Why you look on it so?
You count how much you have?
It don't matter how much I have. The more the merrier. I love bottles.
Right, so we have 2 boxes here, or 2 kits.
Yeah, I think both kits have the same thing. So we'll just go through the things that are in the kit, and then we'll tell you which ones we're going to use in our home. I might have to leave that running.
Shower head.
This is a high efficiency shower head, and it has different options, which is cool. I mean, we love a rain shower head, but we have a bathroom that we haven't changed out the shower head as yet, so we can consider using it temporarily to see if it actually saves us in water, and then
yeah, we can do a comparison.
all right, so what you have,
you can
faucet aerator.
Screw this onto your kitchen faucets, and it should help you to save water. What's also cool is that it can swivel. So see, it can go from left to right. So once you screw it on, okay, you have some kitchen faucets that can't pull out and you can't move it around. So this one, you actually get that feature with it. So it's pretty cool.
That's pretty cool.
This is the inline shower regulator.
Oh, that will come in handy. So this means that you don't have to change the shower head. You can keep your existing shower head and just put a regulator on where? Before the shower head?
Yeah.
Between the shower head and the thing that called the shower arm. Thing that come out of the wall. Yeah.
So it should work something like this.
I'm gonna open it.
Let's try. Male to female.
Who's the female? You have the female. Yeah, so you just attach it to your shower head and then attach it to the wall, to the pipe. What is now, Rory?
So what I'm wondering is if we will save double the water if we install
Two of them.
both of them. Let's see. And what's also good and important is that they also have filters inside of it.
Okay.
So there, you see the filter, the little mesh things, those are the filters. So the aerator.
I think
For the
so
faucet.
for the faucets.
Yeah, so you can literally screw off the end of the faucets
And put this on.
and screw this onto it. Yeah.
So you can also purchase water fixtures that have these features, water saving features. One of the things that you can look for is water sense, especially on a toilet, to that shows that it's a water saving toilet or a water efficient toilet.
There's one other item there.
I have a little red something.
Yes.
What is it?
Alright, let's find the official name for it.
It's a fill diverter.
Fill diverter.
It helps to reduce the amount of water that you use to flush the toilets. Some toilets come with where you can automatically program it. I think ours is like that.
Yeah, so you can set the different levels in terms of how much water fills the tank and also the height of the overflow.
And I think you don't need more than like half a gallon. That's how you go.
Alright. Yeah, anything about a gallon or under is pretty good.
So anything over is wasting the water, guys.
And ensure that your toilets have what's called like a power flush, or I don't know the official term for it, but it normally has
A little
two
hole.
additional holes that you use to push the water down the toilet faster, so you don't have to use as much water to flush it.
I think there's one more thing in the box.
Yes. The leak detection tablets.
And me want to try this. What you do? You have a leak?
That's a tablet, so I was...
Rory, stop the foolishness. Right, so we're going to try these in the toilets to see if them work.
I don't think we have any leaks, but you'll never know until you try it. So let's check and see. And with this, we're supposed to just drop the tablet in, wait 10 to 15 minutes in the tank, wait 10 to 15 minutes. If any colors appear in the bowl of your toilet, then that means you have a leak.
I'm gonna leave all the plumbing work to Rory. And we'll do a follow-up video after this to give you an update on how this is working out for us. And of course, we have more DIY coming up. So if you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and follow along on our journey, guys. Ensure you give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are renovating.
And you can watch some of our previous videos also. Very helpful too.
Back. Alright guys, let's go. So we chose this bathroom to do the leak detection and the, what is name, fill diverter. So we're going to
do the leak detection first, because they do recommend using the leak detection. Check if you have a leak before you even install the diverter. It's dissolving. It's going to change all of the watercolor into blue.
the blue that looks lighter or
Yeah, that's why we should put two tablets in it.
we have two more toilets.
Alright, well.
So where's the thing that you use to adjust the water height?
Alright, so this is it right here. So it's a tank water. So it has a plus and a minus to determine the height. So when you screw it,
You can use the other hand.
you can screw it, and then this little nut should go down, and it will either lower the ball or carry it higher. So you can look right now and see our toilet tank it's less than half of water in the bowl.
And it flushes.
And it flushes pretty good. And as you see, it can fill way up. So this is the overflow, which is if the water goes over this level, then it's going to run out and go into the bowl. So that's
that waste.
Yeah. So that is the waste that we're.
So then the water blue now.
Oh yes.
Okay, moving on to the next toilet. Let's go. Alright guys, Royal's bathroom already has what I believe is a efficient shower head. Anyway, we're going to do the toilet in here. My beloved plant.
And dirt. So you can see the difference with the filler in this toilet. This is a traditional ball filler, so it works similar. Use this to adjust the height of the ball. So you see if you push it down, it's going to continue filling up until the ball kicks up, and that determines the height. So old technology, but it still works. And this is also an efficient toilet. Here you can see 1.28 gallons per flush, but based on our adjustment, it's a little less than that.
Now we can adjust it more.
Yeah, it can be adjusted lower.
Maybe that's all we need for the
Yeah, so
bill.
you could play around with it and adjust the toilets even lower, but you don't want to adjust it too low so that the waste does not get flushed efficiently, because then that may lead to blockage in your pipe.
Alright, so while Rory does that, guys, we changed every single thing in this bathroom except the shower head. I didn't have a problem with the shower head until after we tiled, and then I wanted to change it to black to match the rest of the fixtures in the house. But there's no time like the present. If this fixture actually works out, guys, which I think it will, I'm thinking about just spraying it black and keeping it in this bathroom. Let me know what you think about that below. Let me know if you'd like to see us do that. As we come to the end of another Hacked by Ibangs video, we really hope you found the information that we provided really informative, and hope that you will head on over to the JN site to get more information on how you can save water and, of course, save money. Right, guys, it's a win-win for both us and the water. This shower head really turned out to be more than I expected, guys, so I might just be painting it, but you won't know until you check out our update video. So ensure that you like this video, you subscribe to our channel for more content, and you share this content with all your friends. Thanks for watching and stay safe. Bye until next time.